One I was not impressed with at all. Why is there not a window here? Please help me understand. Some tent in the kitchen too. Like that is, oh my goodness. Lydia just told me this morning, so I've been trying to do what I could before y'all got here. And I had to work today, so I apologize. I'm normally more organized than this. I said I'm normally more organized than this.
Where?
Yeah.
Should I believe it?
Hmm?
Should I believe it?
Oh, should you believe it? Oh, you don't have to. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Demoria if it's your first time here. And if so, you've come at a great time. We're in transition, we're moving into an apartment. When I say we, I mean me and my roommate. I feel like I say that every time I vlog. When I say we, I mean me and my roommate. But there is a we too, you know. But yes, me and my roommate have moved into our apartment. And when I left off on my last vlog, I was preparing the apartment to move out. And then we started packing and I was getting my stuff out of there when I ended. But I did not tell you which apartment I chose because we did a tour, right? We toured 3 apartments. One was the place where I wanted to transfer into in the same complex I was already in. And then the other 2 were nearby in our price range. So we decided to go with apartment number 1, which is the transfer. Now, there were 2 other apartments in that tour. One I was not impressed with at all. I wasn't even considering that. Whenever I saw the apartment, I immediately knew it was a no, but the guy was so nice. So I just act like I was into it. The other one, that was my choice. After I saw it, I showed it to my roommate. She liked it, but she was just like, girl, I'm tired of spending money. So I was like, I understand, but this right here is great. But anyway, we got approved. They were just dragging their feet and yeah, we transferred. So I didn't show you in the last vlog because I felt like you had already seen the tour of the 3 apartments. You had already seen me in my dining room a couple of times, taking the table down, putting it back up and all that. And I didn't want to keep you too long. So what I'll do now is show you the footage of when I brought the table and stuff over to the apartment. And then the next day I set everything up. And then you'll get to see like what the apartment looks like. Kinda, because since then we've moved more stuff in, but I'll just, you know, show you that I cleaned up the kitchen. You know, I washed every dish that I unpacked. I mopped the floor, vacuumed, did all that stuff. So yeah, a little bit of cleaning with me, if you will. I'm gonna get all this stuff like put away before I do head out, because tomorrow my roommate will be moving in. So this will be my roommate's room. Look at me showing all her business, but nothing's in here yet. That will be her closet. This will be her bathroom. I feel like her bathroom at this apartment is bigger than her bathroom at the other apartment. But yeah, the room. The rooms here are smaller than the rooms that we have now. And of course, the living room. Very small patio. I don't even know if I can fit my patio chair here. I will try. But if it does fit, it's gonna be a tight fit. Like, you'll be able to come out here, sit on the chair, and that's all. So we have a fireplace here, just like at the other one. My bedroom with 2 windows. Why is there not a window here? Please help me understand. I need another window for my mental health. Here is the entrance to my closet. And I kind of like this. This is cool. Like, this is the thing I'm most excited about. I'm liking this closet situation. It feels bigger than the other one. You know, I don't know why, but it just does. And then this is the bathroom. So you would go through this door, and then where's the light for the bathroom? No light switch right here. I guess that doesn't make sense. So if you go in through the closet, you don't have a light switch when you enter into the bathroom, but spare you from the toilet. Like, who wants to walk in and see that? Like, I would like for the sink to be here and then the toilet to be over there, but they designed this, not me. The bathtub, a big vanity. I'm liking this. Why is there so much space between here and there? I don't understand. Put the toilet over this way. I cannot stand my toilet to be next to my bathtub, but anyway, I like the fact that I have like a little vanity area. That's cute. And then there is this, which is nothing that we are supposed to be in. I think it's supposed to be locked, but it's not, and we don't care. Here is a little linen closet. I mean, a very tiny one. But yeah, we have a linen closet here. And then let's go to the kitchen. I will put all this stuff away. I'm about to do that now. But this is the kitchen. I have some cabinets open because they left goodies for us that I have to get rid of. And this is the laundry room. I like the fact that they have better shelves at this one than we had at the other one. Like, we had the racks like this, except they were white and they were mounted on the wall. These are actually wood, so I like that. That's better to me. And the washer and dryer will go here. And then, of course, I will put all my stuff there. So I'm gonna put stuff away. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to straighten up here. Alright, so I put this stuff here in the laundry room. All this stuff right here is just like I had before. This is a little bit different because I had this, I don't remember. I had 2 of these. Oh, I remember now. I had the big one up top, but I had it on the opposite side of the little one. I think that's what it was. And the little one there. And it was more like that. And I had the sign. This doesn't look as good set up like that in this laundry room because it's like the opposite direction. Instead of it being on this wall, it was on this wall, but the washer and dryer has to go here. And this sign right here, that's just sitting on the wall, in the other apartment actually covered up the breaker box that you see here. But the good thing about this one is the breaker box is painted the same color as the wall instead of silver, because in the other apartment you could see it. So that helps, but I'm just gonna leave this how it is for now because I don't know what else to do with it. And the only thing that I don't have up that I did before is this basket. Because the shelves are so narrow, the basket, it kind of hangs off the edge, and I'm afraid if I put stuff in it, it may fall. So I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna put that in my closet for now. Now, I did go over this floor in the laundry room with a wet paper towel because it looks really dusty, but unfortunately that's not dust. That's where they spray painted and the particles got on the floor, so they didn't cover the floor like they were supposed to. And I hope it's not the same thing in the kitchen because I'm seeing it in the kitchen too. Like that is, oh my goodness. Our dishwasher is like sticking out right here. Goodness. I gotta put in a work order for that. We haven't signed like our agreement that everything looks good, so I'll make sure to include that. It's actually sitting right here. We have 72 hours to get that turned in. We gotta get that turned in tomorrow. Good. Get a sample of this swirling smoke. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Alright guys, I am in my new space, about to go to sleep for the first time here in my new room. It is very empty, but I do have TV so I can look at YouTube. Yeah, but I'm exhausted. I apologize. Yeah, we'll pick back up on Saturday and then we can figure out what I'm gonna do with this room because it's weird. I don't like the layout of this room. I don't know what to do with it. When I moved into the other apartment, when I saw it, I knew where my bed would go. Here, I'm lost because I like to wake up and to gaze across the room at my window. But across from my window are doors. That just bothers me. But, you know, we are here, we have shelter, we have an imagination and creativity and Pinterest for inspiration, so we'll figure it out. And then you guys can always let me know what you think I should do with it. That would be very helpful. So I am talking too much. I get like that when I'm tired, so I'm gonna say my little farewell. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If so, let me know by hitting the like button, maybe subscribing to my channel. That'll be wonderful, and I will see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye. Like, my body is aching, and it's 20 minutes after midnight, honey. I'm gonna be crying in the morning.